Alright, so just to kind of mention, a lot of things in today's video are going to be kind of like off. They're not going to be within the same timeline. I had a lot of trouble getting parts in. I had to wait for certain things to happen to be made. And so yeah, that's why you're going to see me in like different clothes. And it's just going to be all over the place. But I'm going to try my best to piece it together to where it makes sense. Alright guys, so as you just saw, we got a new steering wheel. Now, the purpose of this steering wheel is to kind of give it like a more, modern race type feel. Just to kind of transform the whole interior's look overall. And I feel that this is going to be a great asset in doing so. So, let me put this down real quick. So, what I have planned with this steering wheel is I'm not going to leave it how it came by any means necessary. Right now, I'm going to show y'all how it came stock and what I've rendered to kind of try and do with some custom work. Here's how it came original, and here's the render that I have made to try and do some of this custom work that I have envisioned. Alright, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to take a blast to the past because I have done some of the custom work that I've already wanted to do to the steering wheel. We're going to take a blast to the past, see what we did, come back, and we're going to pick up where we left off, which is revisit the engraving place. So let's go. Alright guys, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to go to a place where they do embroidery, and we're going to try and see if we can get my steering wheel engraved right under the, actually let me show you. So what I want to do here is get it custom engraved, and I wish that I can kind of get rid of this logo, but there's nothing I can really do about that. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave their logo on there, which I don't mind. It's a nice logo, and put COBRA down here in the font of the original steering wheel to kind of give it that kind of OEM feel. So that's what we're gonna go do, and see if we can even do it. Hopefully when we go in through this, it'll be like a brushed aluminum or whatever type of metal this is. That way the COBRA logo will stand out a lot instead of black.
That's what we're going for. Alright.
And this is the original font from Ford. He was able to get that for me. Alright, so he has the logo ready, and what he's going to do is try and see if he can fit it within that space, because it's very tight between the horn and that other logo. So we're gonna see if it works out and take it from there. Man, that's really cool to see the machine work like that.
Yeah. Alright, I like that part.
That looks good.
Now, that's what we want. Let's see what happens.
I'll let the professional do his thing. Yep.
To find out.
How deep can you go?
You don't want to go any deeper because they'll start turning black again. See, we're already brighter white than theirs. That's what it looks like to me. They went 3 passes. I think we're there.
Okay. Woo! Look at that. Man, that looks... that's exactly what I wanted.
Is it? I wish that wasn't there.
Yeah, I know. I
What
know.
are you gonna do?
It's cool though, cause it'll kind of let people know what kind of. Cause once I put I think it'll look better once I have the Cobra on the horn,
Yeah.
and then you know, there won't be too much NRG company, you know, advertised all over. So it'll be nice and balanced. But look at that, the original Cobra emblem on the new steering wheel. That came out
Was the old
so
steering wheel
good.
bad?
What's that?
Was the old one bad?
No, it's just I kind of want to give it a more modern race feel, and I'm gonna put different seats in it.
That came out pretty. It's dominant.
Mhm.
It's definitely dominant.
Yeah.
All right, you're done.
Cool. Thank you. Now, I wasn't able to find too many installation videos, at least thorough installation videos. It looks rather easy, but you know what they say about looks. They can be deceiving. So anyways, NRG doesn't really provide instructions or anything. I don't know why. Not everyone knows how to mess with electronics. Some of these things are not plug and play. Some people got to cut wires. Instructions would have been appreciated, but we'll figure it out. A couple days later, my hair's a mess, you know, but it's okay. We're not here to look cute. We're here to work on cars. Got my guy, Phil, the master mechanic. Since we're having issues with the wiring, he's gonna do his thing. He's gonna, what is it that you're gonna do? You're gonna check to see which is the power?
Checking supply voltage, and we're checking ground drive.
Oh, looks like we got maybe some goodies. So he's gonna check the ground, also the power. He has a meter here that he's gonna use. What's going on, man? Thank you. All right. We got parts.
Okay, so we got ground, the column's grounded. We got supply voltage on the purple. Okay.
You brought me some tea? Alright, so basically we're gonna take the wires that have been provided. We're gonna snip these off and put the ones that Phil has provided, which is gonna provide the best permanent lock and seal for these wires. So basically what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna cut this harness. This is no longer gonna be here, and we're gonna connect the wires, the purple wire, directly into these to the horn. This was the part that I was struggling with. The purple wire right here, this purple wire is the power. The black one, of course, the ground. So we're gonna connect these two with our new wires here. Moment of truth. Let me make sure there we go, yeah! We're gonna celebrate getting the horn connected. Big thanks to my guy, Phil, the master mechanic. Thank you very much, you're the man. Alright, now that that's on there pretty snug, time to put this bad boy on. Okay, sorry about the background noise, but we're finally gonna finish off this steering wheel. I gotta remove the horn button, that way we can go get it engraved. What a fucking chicken. Right now, we're gonna pick up where we left off because at the time, I couldn't find a horn. The horn had the NRG logo on it, as you saw in the video, and I had an extremely hard time finding a button that would fix and that was the same pattern as the horn holder thing. So we got our horn. We're on our way back to Grays, and we're gonna get something very special engraved that I'm very excited about, and I can't wait to put this whole thing together and see how it turns out. So yeah, let's head over to Grays right now. Got the bodyguards doing their thing. I ain't gotta like it, but I gotta respect it.
Just move this out of the way. It's gonna have something in the middle of it.
Right,
We'll
kind of
try to-
compare it. Yeah, I like the one that you just did a lot better.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks real good.
That is a PLT file that we did not.
Here goes nothing, right? Point of no return.
Okay. Honestly, it's not bad. I want you to look at it.
What would happen if
Well, I think we should let it cool for a minute and try and hit it again if you want to do it.
let's do it. Oh my God, that looks so good.
It actually looks. Let me tell you what you could do on that.
What's that?
Now, we're still going to put the second pass, but you might get away with being able to rub something on there and wipe it off.
Okay.
Make it pop.
You know what? I was thinking about that. But when I installed the steering wheel, I finally got it installed. And I was looking at the button, and I was like, you know what? It's going to look beautiful black because it's going to be kind of like hidden and the black on black kind of thing.
It's not bad, right? I want you to come around. Look, don't move it.
I'm not gonna touch it. Don't worry. Oh my God, that looks so good.
Maybe. Are you sure you want to go again?
Yeah, so it's working so fast that
Yeah.
basically it's not
Dwelling.
in one spot so long to where it's gonna burn and melt the product, the plastic.
There we
I
go.
wish it was made out of metal, but I'm telling you guys, I could not find a metal button to save my life. This
Right.
is the best I could get.
Right.
And he knows because I was on the phone with him for about 2 weeks trying to get something going, but we were able to get something, so
Ready?
we're just trying to make it work right now.
Here we go.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Let me see.
We didn't lose anything. Let's look out in the sun. You can't tell, badass.
Oh,
Let's see.
hell yeah. Hell yeah. Like you can tell that it went down just a little bit more.
Yes, it did.
But it didn't do too much.
Right.
Very small button, guys. Like, and the amount of detail that Bill was able to get in there for me is it's crazy. You got to see it in person. Like, I doubt that the camera will get all the detail that the laser job did. I mean, it looks amazing.
I think that's it.
Oh, I can't wait to put it on. I got everything installed. We're gonna pull it out into the sunlight so you can see the final product. Oh my God! Wait until y'all see. Oh, I just. Y'all ready? Boom. Oh my god, it looks so good. Like he was mentioning earlier, I was thinking about doing like some color on here, but it looks so good, especially like when you're at the right angle. You notice the snake, you notice the details, and it's just like very subtle and clean. Like this is perfect. This is exactly, well, almost exactly, if not better, of what I rendered. Better than I had imagined it, and it looks good, like with the black. I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm gonna leave it just like this, but let me know what you guys think in the comment below of the new steering wheel. General overview of the steering wheel. Overall, I'm very satisfied with it. Even though the experience with NRG wasn't crap, but it wasn't the greatest. Could use some improvement. Will I not buy anything from NRG in the future? No. They offer great products. Like I said, I'm very satisfied with the steering wheel. Now, me being 5'6", you know, I don't have very long arms. And the way this seat and the shifter is set up, I have to sit kind of close in order to drive the best that I can. So with the stock steering wheel, you can only move it, you know, up and down. You can't, like a modern day car, move it forward, move it backwards, or more in. It was just always very close to me, and it would cause me to, you know, be very uncomfortable in the car. So with the addition of the new steering wheel and the short hub, it has pushed the steering wheel further back from me, allowing me to drive a lot more comfortable. Like it feels like almost a completely different car. I am 100% satisfied with the product. It feels good. Now when you go with a smaller steering wheel, it's gonna require more force, but in a way, like turn a lot faster. Me, I only find that in the initial like quarter turn. Other than that, like it's pretty simple. I mean, it's not like it makes a huge difference from the factory one. So I'll take, you know, great looks, a lot more comfortability over turning slightly easier. So yeah, there you go guys. Make sure to comment down below if you like the new steering wheel. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.